Hi, this is May's Design Corner coming to you again. I am going to ask you to come and take a walk with me, and I will show you how I decorated one of my living rooms for Christmas. Come on now, put your walking shoes on, and let us walk and see what I have done for Christmas. Take a look around my beautiful area that I also receive my guests in as well. I love color and I love whimsical things. I also love earth tones as well, but I prefer color and playful things because I have a playful spirit and a playful nature, and I love to have fun and to do things in a fun way. In other words, I am not a stuffed shirt. No, I am not. Here, this is my small sofa, what you all call love seat, and I have my throw on there with my cardinals and my florals, which Christmas florals, and my pillows there. And those are just pillow covers that I hauled from Amazon 6 years ago. I usually put my things up and save them for the next year. Okay, and we're going to follow around to my larger sofa. Then I have my pillows on it as well. And I love these pillars here that says no Christian has ever been called to go it alone in their walk of faith. God don't let us go by ourselves in our walk of faith. No, He doesn't. And this is bless this home. Remember these placemats that Dollar Tree and Dollar General had? So you know I got the placemats, and what I did was I put them together and made me a pillow. And it says bless this home. And this is a DIY of mine as well. One of those pillowcases from Dollar Tree, and I had these towels and I put it on this pillowcase and made it a headrest pillowcase. And this tablescape diva that used to be my name on YouTube, and my channel got totally stolen. Yes, it did. So guard your channels the way you guard your life. I'm telling you because I know what can happen. Okay, so now we're coming on down to these gold and red pillows, and they too are covers that I got from Amazon years ago. And here's another throw here as well. This throw is really old too. I got this throw from Walmart some time ago. They are really, I tell you, they're old. But I fold all my things up and put them away in bags so they will last and last and last. So I'm going to let you see both of these. And in the middle of them, I have our beautiful Christmas tree into this room to greet our guests as well. Look at that bow. I just love those colors. And those ribbons came from Dollar General. And then that red stripe one come from Hobby Lobby. And I got these poinsettias here. These are poinsettia flowers. I got them from Hobby Lobby 2 years ago. and you got 12. Let's see, I think it was 6 or 8 in a pack, and I got 3 packages, and they were 50% off then too. Was it 2 years ago? Because Hobby Lobby hasn't been doing the 50% off Christmas stuff for about 2 to 3 years, and that's when I got that. And I also put a bow in there here as well, and I have my little garland here, the red and gold, to go on a tree as well. And I love this white tree. And you see, I got my angel right there. I don't like to fill my tree up too much, but some people do. And I love it when people do that as well. I just love anything that anybody do because I'm not a hard person to please. I just like to have fun. That's my nature, and I am so glad that I'm like that. God made me that way, and I appreciate Him for making me that way. So I'm moving backwards so you can see where you will sit when you come to my house. And I have my china cabinet over here, which is full of things that I have collected over the years. And some of the things that I have made, I put in my china cabinet as well. It's a corner unit. And I love me some angels, y'all. See them angels down there? And I have angels over here as well. Disregard my cord. This is an old house, and you know that outlets are few and in between, okay? And this is how I decorated that as well. Okay, so we're going to keep moving on back, and I'm going to show you my square coffee table. It is old as well, but you know what I say? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. And if it ain't new and it looks new, keep it. That was my saying. So I've had this quite a while as well, and it still looks good. There's nothing wrong with it. People used to come to our house years ago and say, "Wow, how do you have all those children and have glass tables?" I said, because our children are trained to respect their home. Okay, so this is still one of my tables. And let me tell y'all something. I gave away some of other of my glass tables of my tables to someone else that had got burned out, and I didn't mind doing it because it's better to give than to receive. And let me tell you, that is true. God will replenish everything that you share. And that's what Christmas is all about: sharing, and showing love. Okay, we're going to go over and check the other half of this room out. On this side of the room, I have my favorite chair where I actually sit in this chair and smush up the pillows and everything. Because I love sitting there. And this is the fireplace. It's non-usable, but what I usually do is keep it dusted and polished, and just look at it. I just like to sit on the little sofa, love seat as you call it, and just look at the fireplace. Sometimes I will put in a candle or two, but then sometimes I just like to look at it and for what it was. It brings back so many memories of how I grew up. And I think that's what Christmas is all about. And there you will see the big television there. My husband bought that for me for my birthday one year. And we don't really turn it on that much because it's my gift, and um we just leave it because we have sets all over the house. This is just a memory set. And you see, I keep our first president up there on top of my cabinet. I would like to wish you and your family a very, very, very Merry Christmas and a happy, happy, happy New Year. Thank you so very much for looking around my living area. I appreciate it so much. And if you're ever into my house, let me tell you what you can do. Take your shoes off, put your feet up, sit back, get a cup, eat a cookie, and enjoy yourself. We do not stand on any kind of ceremony except you are always welcome at my house. You are always welcome at our house. And believe you me, we will pray for you before you leave out of here, that you receive the graciousness and goodness of God. This is May's Design Corner saying Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Remember to keep Christ in this Christmas, and a very happy New Year. May everything that you dreamed of and thought of come to you during this new year. Merry Christmas for May's Design Corner. Merry Christmas. Don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. I love you. I do.